going on, everybody? Today, PlayStation has announced that you can now change your gamer tag, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do it, so stick around. Please like, subscribe and comment, and excuse my fucking voice. Right, so first of all, what you're going to want to do is, basically you can only do this on your PS4 or the browser. So I'm going to do it on the browser. Go onto Google or any kind of browser, just put in PS profile sign in, my PlayStation. Wait for it to load. Will automatically sign me in? Yeah, I'm automatically signed in. Right, click on profile. Go down to edit profile. Where it says online ID, edit. You know, I've already read all this, so just accept. Give yourself time to read it. Right, see, new online ID. You've been playing as a flimsy wolf since the 18th of July 2017. If you can't think of any, there's a few suggestions down here, like refresh, and it'll give you some more. Right, I'm going to put the real Brummy. I don't know why, it's just that's what I'm known as on PlayStation. The real Brummy. Don't ask, like I said, it's just what I'm known as on PlayStation. Right. Check availability. So your first change is free. You confirm it. You can either have it as, so when you're on PlayStation it will come up as your old name, so people know who you are, or you can just have it as new online ID only. So I'm going to click on new and old online ID so people know who I am, because I've got pretty good amount of friends on here and I can't be asked to type to them all. Right, so confirm. Now I should get signed out of PlayStation. Let's try sign back in. Oh, I didn't even put my password. Right. Send all. Oh, I'll change it later so none of you fuckers can get in. And as you can see now, the real Brummy, if I can click edit now, it will tell me now when I've been playing with it. Not playing with it, but you know, I've been playing as this gamer tag name. Continue. See, and the real Brummy since the 13th of March 2019. Right, so yeah, I hope you liked the video. Please like, subscribe and comment. Tell me if it works for you. And as you can see, yeah, I've been signed out on here. So if I'm going to click sign in now, you know that's my stuff because I've just put it in on the previous video. Sign in. Now I'm now known as the real Brummy. So proof it works. So yeah, please like, subscribe and comment and tell me if it works for you.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.